In this video, I will show you how to install XCode and how to get your simulator to run your Flutter app. First, you will need to go in the App Store and you will go inside the search bar. You will search for XCode and then you will press Get and Install. I will fast forward, but this will take maybe 10 minutes. Good. Next, I press on Open. I will open XCode. I will need to say agree the terms and condition. I will enter my password, the password of my computer, and I will press OK. This is installing components. The pop-up of XCode will open. I will close the page of the App Store. I will go back, I will quit XCode, and I will press Command Space. And I will open the simulator. Because when you download XCode, the simulator gets downloaded at the same time. This is the simulator of Apple. And we will run our Flutter app on this emulator. You will then press Command Space and open Visual Studio Code. We will run our Flutter app from Visual Studio Code into the simulator. So if you remember, you see this little pop-up. Will you like to use recommended VS Code? I will say yes. Good. And next you will need to press on play, but make sure that you are on the main dart to see the play button. So you press on play and the application should be triggered on the emulator, on the simulator. So you see on the terminal all the line of code. This means that it's running, and you can see the Flutter app has been running on the simulator. So we are done with the Flutter installation. We have installed everything required, and now we are ready to start the fun part. See you in the next video. Bye.